Hello, welcome in daily newspaper editorials audio program. Now headlines. Quoting Travel Times of India. Neat neighborhood higher property price. The Economic Times. Timely retraction. The Hindu. Now headlines in detail. Quoting Travel The Times of India. India can't afford Sambals. SC had a change to put a stop to this, but its reading of a law opened doors. The alacrity with which Sambhal District Court accepted a plea to access to the local Shahi Jama Masjid and ordered a survey the very same day, November 19, is exactly the reason Supreme Court should have taken the opportunity when it was there no nip in the bud potential communal flare-ups. It can safely be said trial court judges countrywide can be tone deaf to how sensitive the fallout of their order can be, and perhaps like the training to know better, a single district judge's decision triggered the spiral into shooting that have claimed for lives in Sambal. Judicial process seemed to have been let go on time was allowed to appeal the district court decision when hearing the Gyan Bapi case in 2022. SC should right away have stopped such sensitive case from being heard by trial court. Not only that, SC opened a can of bomb in former CJI Chandrachud. Additional reading of the Places of Worship Act 1991, the law categorical bars any conversation of religion character of a structure from its status and independence. SC said the law did not disallow ascertainment of such character. Result the so-called surveys. SC barely paused to reflect what any such ascertainment would lead to when change in character was valid. What would the purpose be of such ascertainment? The fallout is evident in Sambal protest and ensuing violence are a possibility where such claims are made. SC's reading in itself was challenged. Unsurprisingly, the issue hanging fire also are the challenges to the constitutionality of the Places of Worship Act itself. Hard right outfits and WhatsApp universities take claim on over 30,000 structures from surviving in hearing Gyan Vapi and Mathura cases. SC had the chance to stall such motivate campaigns, defeat petty agendas, and arrest demand damage to India's social peace is repeatedly missed. The change Gyan Vapi Mathura Dhar Sambhal, where does it stop? The claims they will only grow. It was that SC reading that will be the pressure of future Sambhal's India is in an obvious position of being perhaps the only democracy where centuries old matters are being integrated. Neat neighborhood, higher property price. The Economic Times. Nitin Kamath was proposed a novel idea linking air and water quality to property rates, such a correction and how its approach could extend to sense of ownership beyond individual properties to neighborhoods would actually nudes homeworks and communities to protege clean air policies and act against pollution. The Zerodora COE shared data highlighting the impact of air pollution on public health, also pointing out that while Delhi garners most attention, poor air quality plagues many cities. Kamath proposals draws inspiration from a long-standing arguments made by many economists and environmentalists to make people value nature and protest protect it, they must pay for the services it provides, and a nation progress must account for its natural capital's base. While GDP remains the preferred metric, its measure production, not health, welfare, or well-being. However, escalating impact of climate change can compel societies like ours to rethink materials wealth and prioritize their natural resource base. At putting value on ecosystem service is challenging due to their dynamic nature, but scientific understanding is steadily advancing. Citizens clearly find the idea difficult to grasp, but linking environment to proposal economics literally the home front could bring them on board. This is crucial because public indifference toward environmental issues is significant. The fact that air pollution gains attention only in a seasonal fashion, that bad water quality rarely sparks discussion, and solid waste management is conflict discussion and solid waste management is conflict to operates and seminars underlines our challenges. It is only when such issues are linked to immediate personal tax gains or loses that people wake up and smell the provided coffee. Thank you.